Hey, what's up YouTube? I just bought this Ford Explorer. It's a 2002 and this plastic down here is just old, discolored, faded. But check this out. You take a heat gun, you turn it on there, and it's practically like painting it. You can see the section over here I've already done, and it blends great. You can just keep going. You can only do about a square inch at a time, but you can just keep going and keep going. In 30 years of detailing cars, this is the greatest thing. Because with the electricity, you could use a torch, but with the heat gun, you can just keep going and going. Awesome.